Ever found yourself wishing your bank understood you better? That it could somehow anticipate your financial needs, help you save smarter, and generally make managing your money feel less like a chore and more like a superpower? Well, in 2025, if you're a Monzo user, that's precisely the experience you're getting. Gone are the days of clunky, confusing banking apps. Monzo has truly evolved, solidifying its position as a financial hub that's intuitive, powerful, and genuinely helpful. So, what exactly does Monzo bring to the table in 2025 that sets it apart? Let's dive in. The core of Monzo's offering remains its brilliant, user-friendly current account. From instant spending notifications that hit your phone the second you make a purchase, to a crystal-clear overview of your balance and spending habits, it's designed to keep you in the loop without overwhelming you. But in 2025, these foundational features have been refined and expanded. The spending insights are more granular than ever, allowing you to custom categorize transactions with even greater precision. No more generic shopping categories. Now you can create coffee runs, online subscriptions, or even impulse buys to truly understand where your money goes. And for those who love a visual representation, the Enhanced Trends feature provides even more dynamic graphs and analyses, letting you see your financial trajectory at a glance, predict future spending, and identify areas for improvement. One of Monzo's strongest suits has always been its pots feature, and in 2025, these have become even more versatile. Beyond simply setting aside money for specific goals like a holiday or a new gadget, Monzo has introduced smart pots. These aren't just holding pens for your cash, they're actively working for you. Imagine a bills pot that automatically pulls funds from your main account a day or two before direct debits and standing orders are due, ensuring you never miss a payment. Or a subscription pot that intelligently tracks your recurring payments, notifies you of upcoming renewals, and even suggests if you might be able to save money by switching providers. The advanced roundups feature has also seen an upgrade, allowing you to multiply your spare change by a factor of 2, 5, or even 10, accelerating your savings without you even noticing. For example, a £2.40 coffee could see 60 pence, £3, or even £6 rounded up and automatically transferred to your chosen savings pot. Speaking of savings, Monzo's commitment to helping you grow your money has intensified. Their instant access savings pots offer competitive interest rates, and in 2025, they've introduced more diversified savings options. Beyond their own offerings, Monzo has integrated with a wider network of savings providers, allowing you to compare and choose from various accounts with different interest rates and terms, all directly within the Monzo app. This means you can easily move money between your Monzo current account and a partner's high-interest savings account, maximizing your returns without ever leaving the Monzo ecosystem. For those looking for long-term growth, Monzo's investment features have matured significantly. In 2025, you can choose from a broader range of investment funds, including options that align with specific ethical or sustainable principles. They've also simplified the process of creating your own investment strategy, with guided pathways and educational content that demystify the world of stocks and shares, making investing accessible even for complete beginners. A notable addition in early 2025 was the migration of their investment and pension products to a new platform, including a fully digital self-invested personal pension, SIPP, making it easier to consolidate existing pensions and even trade ETFs directly within the app. For those unexpected moments, Monzo's credit offerings are more flexible than ever. Their Flex Purchase credit card has evolved, offering more intuitive repayment options and clearer terms. In 2025, you can even choose your monthly payment right at checkout with Flex on Apple Pay, making instant financing seamless. Monzo's loan application process remains famously fast, often taking just minutes to apply and receive funds on the same day. What's more, there are no fees for paying off your loan early, giving you greater control over your debt. Beyond core banking, Monzo in 2025 has become a true financial marketplace, integrating a suite of additional services to simplify your life. Insurance is a prime example. Following the introduction of contents insurance in 2024, Monzo in 2025 has expanded to offer comprehensive home insurance, combining both buildings and contents covered directly within the app. This streamlines the often complex process of securing insurance, allowing you to get the cover you need with just a few taps. For Monzo Perks and Max Plan users, this extends to worldwide travel and phone insurance, offering peace of mind wherever you go. For the digitally savvy, Monzo's virtual cards have become an indispensable tool. You can now create and delete extra cards on the fly, linking them to specific pots for hyper-focused budgeting. Want to stick to a strict budget for online subscriptions? Create a virtual card, link it to your subscriptions pot, and once the pot is empty, so is the card spending limit for that month. They also offer an added layer of security for online purchases, allowing you to use a single-use virtual card to protect your main card details. Monzo has also made significant strides in supporting younger users and businesses. The launch of Monzo for under 16s in March 2025 has provided a free, safe, and engaging way for children aged 6 to 15 to learn about money management, complete with their own contactless MasterCard debit card, spending notifications, and basic budgeting tools. For businesses, Monzo business accounts have expanded their functionalities, offering more integrated business tools, digital receipts, and in-app invoicing. The introduction of Monzo Teen caters to larger SMEs, providing advanced features for collaborative financial management. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.